Welcome to our 20th anniversary celebration of the Extended Learning Opportunities Summer Adventures in Learning ELO SAIL program. Since 2002, ELO SAIL has been implemented in our Title I schools. We are so excited to celebrate this incredible milestone, and we couldn't have done it without the support of our students, our families, and all of our partners. Today, you will hear from various speakers about the past, the present, and the future of ELO SAIL. We'll start by hearing from former director Chris Richardson about her experience as the director of Title I programs. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the program.
I had just started in the job as the Director of Academic Support Federal and State Programs and get called to a meeting at central office. Dr. Wiest was our superintendent at the time, and he was asking for a comprehensive review and revision of summer programs across the whole system. And he was surprised that Title I didn't have a comprehensive summer school program. So in that role, I was identified as the lead for the elementary Title I summer school program. And I can remember actually going to someone at central office and saying, I'm brand new in the job. I'm not sure I can do this. And, their response was, we need to move forward. It's September and you're going to implement this program as of next summer. So that's what we did. We started to move forward, and I like to look at what does the research say about summer school programs for elementary school kids. And it was really mixed. Many of the programs were remedial, so I felt like there was like a negative connotation around summer school. They were often of a really short duration, and the outcomes, really in terms of proving student achievement, were not terrific. So I thought, why don't we kind of just turn that story around and let's make it a preview. Let's make it be the first day of kindergarten or the first day of first grade versus, it's for children who aren't being successful. And that was pretty controversial initially, but we did it. And it worked amazingly because so many children came that way. We're able to reach a much broader audience. Parents were very excited about ELO. And MCPS, in only the way I believe MCPS can, really rallied around the whole idea of a Title I summer school. Given that by then it was like October, we didn't have a curriculum, we didn't have materials. We had to work with transportation. We had to work with food service because we wanted to be sure students were able to be fed 2 meals at their summer school program. Human resources, what were the rules around hiring teachers? We used to say back in the beginning, we're recreating the entire school system for 4 weeks, and we did. And I say we because it was not just me or just the Title I office. There were amazing instructional specialists that I work with, but we needed curriculum to support us and write new curriculum for reading and math because we didn't want it to just be a repeat of what they had already learned. We wanted them to be able to preview, say for mathematics, we decided we're going to focus on number sense. That's really important. And we needed the materials for it. We needed different books. We needed new everything. And it amazes me to this day that, for example, when you called transportation and said, oh, we think we need you to drive 3,000 young children to elementary summer school this summer, their response was, well, how can we help? And that was so amazing that really that first summer we started with all those things in place. And I can't say everything was perfect. I know curriculum was amazing, actually, and transportation worked. The one thing we didn't think of is we thought that we could give all those meals out on our own, that we wouldn't need the cafeteria managers to help us. And we quickly learned that was a huge error on our part, because the logistics of it are, amazing, because everybody was getting breakfast and lunch. So at the end of ELO every year, we would have a debrief with all these different offices that worked with us. That process of kind of renewing the program every year, looking at what worked, what didn't work, how can we improve it, that was really, I think, based in that whole idea of continuous improvement before we called it continuous improvement. I think the program just grew and got better every year. I've been so proud of the work that MCPS continues to do in this area, knowing how important summer is for students. It's really tremendous. There's so many things that have been added along the way that just made it better. Like students who need community service learning hours, they can volunteer for ELO. Students who are learning English as a second language, it's really important for them to have access to continuing to learn English over the summer. A longer day is always critical because we know how important childcare is for families. So it's encouraging to me that ELO continues to change, grow, and really works hard to meet needs of families and students. Particularly, this year where we've had so many challenges, it's just going to be phenomenal. And I'm excited that it has continued, and I'm confident that it's going to be here 20 years from now because of the impact on students and families.
Thank you, Chris, for sharing the history of the ELO SAIL program. We wouldn't be here today without your amazing leadership and support in helping to institutionalize such an amazing program. We also wouldn't be here today without the support of our Board of Education. Now we'll hear from Board President Brenda Wolff.
Hello, how are you? I'm pleased to be here to bring greetings on behalf of myself and my colleagues on the board. Since 2002, the BOE has been committed to using federal resources to extend learning opportunities for students enrolled in Title I schools. The BOE is pleased that ELO has stood the test of time through 3 county executives, 5 superintendents, and the economic recession of 2008. During the summer of 2009, the National Center for Summer Learning at Johns Hopkins University recognized Montgomery County Public Schools for its efforts in supporting summer academic opportunities for students. This is particularly remarkable because of the economic recession that our country experienced. In 2016, MCPS partnered with the Montgomery County Council, the Norman R. Rales and Ruth Rales Foundation, and Building Educated Leaders for Life, or BELL, to provide a summer academic enrichment program to eligible rising grades 3, 4, and 5 students in Title I schools who show academic need in the areas of literacy and mathematics. This partnership lasted 4 years and truly enhanced learning for students. Since 2015, ELO has expanded to offer an enrichment program for identified students, ELO STEP. Even as MCPS navigated the effects of our global health crisis during the summer of 2020, ELO pivoted to a virtual model and served over 7,000 students. The BOE looks forward to 20+ more years of this nationally recognized program in our schools.
Thank you, Ms. Wolff, for your support and the support of your fellow board members. We also know that we could not have implemented the ELO SAIL program and have been as successful as we have been without the support of the school administration. It starts at the top. Now we'll hear from Dr. Monifa McKnight, Acting Superintendent, on the importance of the ELO SAIL program.
Extended learning opportunities, also known as ELO, are woven into the fabric of a Title I school. ELO Summer Adventures in Learning began in 2002 and as a key strategy to advance equity and meet the needs of our students. Since then, the program has helped prepare students for success in the next grade level and reduce potential learning loss that many students experience during the summer. Montgomery County Public Schools has been tireless in creating extended learning opportunities for our students in Title I schools. We know that ELO SAIL works. The program has demonstrated significant academic benefits for students. Participants in the ELO SAIL program make greater improvement in both reading and mathematics than those students who do not participate. The academic benefits reach all racial and ethnic groups. In the most recent MCPS report on the program, we learned that there is an especially strong positive impact on reading performance in fall following participation for kindergarten students. There also has been an especially positive impact on mathematics performance for grade 1 and 2 students. And for students who receive free and reduced meals, an indicator of poverty, there has been a positive impact at all levels. The effectiveness of the ELO SAIL program shows that our investment has value. The program's success reaffirms the importance of embedding these opportunities as an integral part of the district's efforts to mitigate learning disruption across schools and focus on the most poverty-impacted schools. We have had 20 great years, and we look forward to many more years of ELO SAIL.
Thank you, Dr. McKnight, for your leadership and being here today, taking the time out of your busy schedule to help us celebrate 20 years of implementing the ELO SAIL program. We really appreciate your support. The ELO SAIL program takes a great deal of planning and preparation. There's a lot of behind-the-scenes work that happens to ensure that we are ready to welcome our students and families in the summer. Joining us today, we have Nichelle Owens and Rebecca Doherty to talk about all of the work that it takes to plan and prepare for our ELO SAIL program. Thank you, Nichelle and Becca, for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thanks, Deanne.
So tell us about the planning. When does planning start?
So planning actually starts as soon as the program ends. We get started for the next summer. And we really take some time to debrief with our internal and our external partners. And we also look at feedback from our families, from our teachers, from our students, from our administrators who participated in the program. And we really use their input and their ideas as a springboard to help us plan for the next year and to really design a program that best meets the needs of students.
Yeah, I would agree. And the other piece is we have found that in January, things really heat up, right? So even though it's cold outside, we are starting to gear up for ELO. We begin our outreach to the Office of Technology and Innovation just to get started on the registration process. We reach out to transportation to ensure that buses will be available and routes can be created. We reach out to Food and Nutrition Services to make sure that children will be fed during the summer. By March, we're reaching out to the curriculum office to ensure that we have a full and robust curriculum that is well-rounded for our students, that's engaging, and then we just keep reaching out to all of our internal partners here at MCPS because this program could not happen without them.
Yes, it does sound like it takes a lot of planning. So with all of that planning, the best laid out plans, I'm sure there might have been some curveballs, right, along the way, but also there's probably been some memorable moments. Can you share with us some of the curveballs, but also some of the memorable moments over the last 20 years?
Yeah, I'll start with the curveballs. Okay, so curveball, Deanne, I think you remember this because we were together on this one, summer 2012, right? That was the year. 2012 was a crazy year because, first of all, our funding was reduced. And with the reduction in funding, Dr. Lacey, who was the deputy superintendent at that time, called us in and she said, wait a minute, if we don't have enough funding, how can we keep ELO going? We need it to continue. And we did some research and we found that ELO would continue with a focus on the earlier years. So this was a program that had been K-5, and it was scaled back to a K-2 program just because we didn't have the funding, but ELO continued. So that was the first curveball. And then we left on June 29th. It was a Friday, I remember it well. You weren't quite on board yet, but you were coming, and we were ready for ELO. That evening, a derecho storm came blasting through Montgomery County and the region. It took out electricity. It was a crazy time. And with that electricity going out, all of the food that was stored for our ELO program, it went bad. We had to cancel ELO for the first week of the program. We really weren't sure if we were going to get back up online, but we made it happen. We reduced ELO by a week, and the kids still had an opportunity to participate. So 2012 was certainly a curveball year.
And another curveball is very fresh in our minds still, very recent. Last summer, summer 2020, as you know, we were in the COVID-19 pandemic, and in order to keep staff and students safe, we had to shift very quickly to an all-virtual program for the first time ever. And so it was quite a scramble, and it was quite a curveball, but with some flexibility and some collaboration, we were really able to implement a really successful summer program. And we actually had almost 8,000 students attend, which was really exciting.
Yes, that is exciting. Thank you. What are some of the rewarding moments that continue to inspire you over the years?
Yeah, so ELO is an amazing program. There are certainly memorable moments that I could speak to for each of the years that I've been a part of the program. But I'm going to focus on the summer of 2015 because we had the pleasure of collaborating with Kershana Dean's team, the Accelerated and Enriched Instruction team, to create the ELO STEP program, which was really intended for students who could benefit from some critical thinking and some challenging activities that stretched their thinking. It was enriching. We were just excited to offer something that was so innovative to them. And we had probably about 250 to 300 kids in that program. We started small, but we expanded because the program was so successful. So what we found in 2015 was an expansion of ELO into the enrichment space.
So I'm actually going to build on what Nichelle said about ELO STEP and talk a little bit about the summer of 2016. After the success of the ELO STEP program, we really wanted to enhance our ELO SAIL program and make it a little bit more engaging and exciting for our students. And so we developed something that we call Science Fridays, which turned out to be a huge hit. And it was a great way to not only integrate science into the program, but also to offer some hands-on learning for our students and to add an element of fun. And so while we still do have Science Friday as part of the program, we've really built on that over the past years to add some exciting learning opportunities in STEM, project-based learning, and enrichment for all of our students.
So I'm going to add to that response because there's so many amazing moments related to ELO. One in particular was during the Obama years. Michelle Obama actually had an initiative called Let's Read, Let's Move. And the Department of Education would invite us down to the Department of Ed Plaza down in DC to participate in a number of festivities related to reading and moving and eating healthy. This one particular time I had the pleasure of joining one of the schools and being a chaperone. And while I was there, I heard a number of the stories from, at the time, Interior Secretary Sally Jewell, along with one of my favorite actors, Hill Harper. And he actually read a book called The Day the Crayons Quit. And that's become one of my favorite books. I went onto Amazon, I purchased it, and I actually read it when I go out to schools for read-alouds. It's actually just an amazing book. But on top of that, we also had a number of partnerships, and one of the most dear partnerships is with our Montgomery County Retirees Association. every year, Deanne, they come through with toolkits for our kindergarten students. And these toolkits have pencils, rulers, erasers, number lines, everything that a kindergartner could ever need for the start of their school year. And we help distribute those toolkits to families. And along with the toolkits, the families actually participate in a training. And through this structure, we have found that it's important to give resources to families, so we also added a series of books that families receive, not just kindergartners, but kindergarten through 5th grade. So we're really excited to have involved our families in this process of extending the learning into the summer and providing them with tools, because families are really key to student success.
Thank you for sharing those rewarding moments. That's what it's all about, the impact on students and families. And there's no better way to better understand the impact than hearing directly from our students and families.
I love ELO. ELO is amazing. I recommend it for every student. It's very exciting. You can do activities with your curriculum and playing games and what you're learning. ELO helps me improve my grades and will be helping me in my future classes.
Pues me siento entusiasmada, me siento muy
contenta. She's very happy
por lo que a los niños los han
for the program that has helped kids.
Les han ido guiando lo mejor para
and
ellos.
Has guided them throughout the year.
Y me siento muy orgullosa de los profesores que ha tenido.
And she's very thankful for the teachers who have had the patience to help my kid know what to do.
Y solo un niño tengo en esta escuela La Saule.
And that she only has one more kid for that ELO program.
Y pues siempre me siento muy orgullosa de tenerla.
And that she will always admire ELO.
Summer sun, friends and fun. For these things, kids are yearning. So put that together with reading and math, you get summer adventures in learning.
Extended learning opportunities keep us connected to school. We get to be with our teachers and friends. We think that's really cool.
We get breakfast, we get lunch, we get learning by the bunch.
ELO has included science, the arts, sports, and more, giving students a jump start on the grade we're heading for.
It feels different in the summer. It's a cool atmosphere, and we can tell the teachers are happy we are here.
We get an extra dose of learning. That's an important part. It gives us a feeling of being summer smart.
ELO SAIL is a flexible, effective program model. It truly perseveres. That is why we are celebrating 20 years.
So thank you, Title I ELO SAIL, for opening summer's opportunity door. It has made a difference for MCPS students.
We know that's for sure.